Good morning, dear student. Myself is Deepti from Dip Scrollbug, and in today's lecture, we are going to start a new chapter, that is Human Resource Geography, Chapter 9, Human Resources. So, in this chapter, we are going to read about the what is a human resources, what is the importance of human resources, and distribution of human resources or a population, and causes behind the unequal distribution of population. Such things we are going to read in this chapter. So let's start. Of all resources available on the earth, human beings are not only the most important but also the ultimate resource. A very important thing is written here, the ultimate resource. Ultimate resource means that resource which have no other no. Uh, Ultimate resource means a resource which does not comparison with other resources. So other resources cannot stand in front of it. How why we are you saying this? क्योंकि ह्यूमन रिसोर्स जो है वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का यूटिलाइजेशन सही ढंग से कर सकता है. ह्यूमन ही है वो कर सकता है. ह्यूमन ही है जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को अपने यूज़ के लिए यूज़ करता है. किसी ये नहीं करता कि वो पड़े. ठीक है ना. अगर ये ना यूज़ करे तो वो रिसोर्सेज तो पड़े रहेंगे. तो उनका अल्टीमेट यूज़ जो है वो ह्यूमन ही करता है. तो डेट इज़ वाई इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस बढ़ जाती है. ये अपने स्किल एजुकेशन से उसको यूजफुल थिंग में कन्वर्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्थ से क्रूड ऑयल निकलता है जो कि काला तेल होता है. उसका में आपका पेट्रोलियम, डीजल, वैक्स, मोबाइल ऑयल सब कुछ मिक्सचर होता है. देन उसको वो मारा निकाला जाता है. प्यूरिफाई कौन करता है? ह्यूमन बींग्स करते हैं. देन प्यूरिफाई करने के बाद में उसको यूज़ कौन करता है? ह्यूमन बींग्स करते हैं. So that is why human beings are known as the ultimate resource. The natural resources of the earth provide us with a variety of raw material which cannot be used directly. Human beings can explore, develop, and convert this raw material into useful goods according to their ability and demands. Therefore, people have to educate and skilled this essential for the development and economic progress of a country. The human resources, like the natural resources, are not evenly distributed over the surface of the earth. They vary greatly according to their education, age, sex, standard of living, etc. The pattern of distribution of population or human resources is very important in geography. So, they were the way human beings are distributed across the surface of the earth is called the pattern of population distribution. So as we know, so this look at this map has been given on your book. इसमें भी आप देख रहे होंगे कि different colors use किए गए हैं. तो these different colors shows different the separation distribution of population in the world. सो आप यही देख सकते हैं कि कितने कलर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं. तो कहीं पे बहुत कम पॉपुलेशन रहती है, कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है, कहीं पर मॉडरेट सी जम पॉपुलेशन है. सो तो ये पॉपुलेशन जोग्राफी में इसका बहुत असर पड़ता है. और इसका पीछे ये कारण है कि जोग्राफिकल कंडीशंस होती हैं जो पॉपुलेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट डालती हैं. अगर हाई माउंटेन एरियाज़ है तो वहाँ पर भी हम नहीं रह सकते क्योंकि क्लाइमेट बहुत ही हार्श हो जाएगा. डेजर्ट रीजन है तो भी नहीं हम रह सकते हैं. सो पॉपुलेशन जो पैटर्न ऑफ पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो बहुत ही अनइवन है. और उसके पीछे मेन रीज़न हमारा जोग्राफिकल फैक्टर आ जाता है. Human beings try to concentrate only in those areas where the environmental conditions are suitable for habitation. The total population of the world in 2005 was about 650 crores. About about 60% of total population lives in Asia alone. Out of this, 240 crore people live in two countries of Asia, China and Nepal. About 90% of total population of world lives in about 10% of the total land surface of the earth. Thus, the distribution of population is highly uneven. You can see, so this paragraph itself tells us कि भी जो the population is, how is it distribution is unequal. Total 90% of the total population of the world lives in the 10% of the land. You can see here. So we can see in this map that yellow color shows very separately populated areas. A lot of places are there where yellow color is used, where population is very less और separate very separately मतलब बहुत अलग अलग रोड रहते हैं. And the highly populated areas is in green color. So the green color is only in India, that is India, Japan, then a lot a small here. So these are only these places highly thickly populated area, whereas thickly populated area is in China, and then European, some European countries are there. So you can see that there is the distribution of population is very unequal in the world. And what is the reason behind it, we are going to read in next lecture. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.